Here in this video we will show you how to access API credential in WHMCS. If you would like to access or know about API credentials in your WHMCS, then first of all go to the given WHMCS documentation URL to know about API authentication. This documentation clearly explains about basics of API credentials. API authentication is basically used to access WHMCS from third-party applications. You can also trigger or access certain features from hooks or third-party contents which is not under the control of WHMCS. Now, in order to access them, first of all log into your WHMCS admin dashboard and then go to Setup, Staff Management and then Manage API Credentials. Now from here click over API Roles and then go to Create API Role. Now from here you can apply a role name, add a description and then under Allowed API Action you can specify certain actions that this API will be allowed. You can select all those options which will be allowed for this API to use. For a testing purpose, since we have created an API which can manage only billing APIs, so you can see that it is generated successfully. So now you simply need to click over Generate New API Credentials. You can select the admin user, enter a description, select API roles and then click over Generate. In this way, a new identifier and secret key has been released successfully. You can copy and use these keys wherever necessary, or you can also forward them to your web developer. Please subscribe to our channel if you have still not subscribed. If you would like to host your WHMCS website with a reliable hosting provider, then redserverhost.com is the best option for you.